Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and today we wanted to show you a really cool project that we just got done. So as you see behind me, we have a Chevy Express van, something a little bit different that you're not going to see in a lot of our builds, and that's going to be a wheelchair lift. And the reason why is we have our buddy Geoff here that came to us in search of a lift for his van because, I mean, tell us, Geoff, why is it that you wanted a lift for your van?
Well, number one, we don't need to be limited to the street. I like to go to Baja, and down in Baja they never have nice roads. They're just horrible, so having a little bit of lift where you could actually fly. I just took it down to Baja 2 weeks ago, and down their dirt roads where they're remodeling and repaving and stuff, we're able to cruise at 40, just smooth as silk. Like it was actually a Cadillac ride. It was awesome. Couldn't be happier with it. Geoff, tell us a little bit about you and your story.
I know you grew up riding motocross, and that is what your injury basically. So tell us a little bit about that.
You know, rode motorcycles for, well, almost my entire life. Fell off, broke my neck up at Glen Helen, but the getting ready for the 24-hour race. But the you know, being outside and outdoors and in the off-road area is just a blast, and you guys can still do it. If you get injured, I know it's a drag and there's some downside to it, but you're not limited. So get out there and play.
I think that is what's awesome. I love hearing the super encouraging words like that coming straight from Geoff, because I know personally that you feel like it would be just one of those things where you're just, I don't want to do it anymore. But there's always a brighter side to everything, and to me, this story is encouraging. I love it. I love helping out people like him. This is just awesome. I love hearing him taking it down to Baja and beating the crap out of it. So that's what this is all about, just making, you know, all about the smile. So what we did do on this is we did our 5-inch Chevy Express lift kit. We did our spindles, our aluminum leveling spacers or 2-inch coil spacers. We did the Fox shock in the rear, or in the front, and then in the rear we did our full custom leaf pack in the rear along with our Fox shock. And now if you're wondering why Geoff is back, is because of the additional weight of the lift on this one side, what we did is we actually added one more spring to this today in order to level it out and to get him that nice ride, not to have the van sagging it all to one side. So just showing you kind of like the custom things that we can do for whatever your van is, whatever, you know, you're building or doing. You know, we have potentially, we hope, an answer to help you get to where you want to be. So hey, thanks again, Geoff, and now you get to have some fun, go beat it up some more. So
Baja next week.
There we go, back to Baja. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.